To add columns in Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and selecting the website you want to edit. Click on the Edit Site button to enter the Wix editor. In the Wix editor, you can add columns using the Columns feature. To do this, click on the Add icon on the left side of the screen and select Layout from the drop-down menu. Then, click on Columns and choose the number of columns you want to add. You can choose from a variety of column layouts, including 2, 3, and 4 columns. Once you have selected your column layout, you can customize the columns by dragging and dropping them into place. You can also resize the columns by clicking and dragging the borders. To add content to your columns, click on the Add icon and select the type of content you want to add, such as text, images, or videos. You can also add columns to a specific section of your website, such as a header or footer. To do this, click on the section where you want to add the columns and select the Columns feature. Then, follow the same steps as before to add and customize your columns. Best practices for adding columns in Wix include keeping your columns balanced and symmetrical, using columns to create a clear hierarchy of content, and making sure your columns are responsive and work well on different devices. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use columns to improve the design and layout of your Wix website. When adding columns, make sure to preview your website on different devices to ensure that the columns are working as intended. You can do this by clicking on the preview icon at the top of the Wix editor. This will allow you to see how your website looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. By using columns effectively, you can create a professional-looking website that is easy to navigate and provides a good user experience. With the Wix editor, you have the flexibility to customize your columns and create a unique design that meets your needs.